Welcome back to the Conscious Crypto with Brother Tolomek. Alright, so today we're going to talk about Binance. So Binance is an awesome trading site. Once you have your Bitcoin in your Coinbase wallet or whatever wallet you choose to use, you can then send it over to Binance, where you can then buy everything from Bitcoin Cash to Substratum, Dash. You can also trade with Ethereum and Litecoin, but you have a whole bunch of smaller coins you can be put into. I'm invested into some ARK as well. So I just want to show you how to do that real quick. Once you sign on to Binance and you have figured out how to log in and verify yourself and everything, you're probably gonna have to use Google authentication because their SMS thing is just for China. So let's go over to funds so that you can deposit some of your Bitcoin. And what you would do is you would come to this page right here and it shows all of these coins right here. Now what you would do is go and deposit Bitcoin right here. Gives you this address, just like we've done in recent videos. We would go over to our Coinbase and we would send some of our Bitcoin. So we would take that and we would send however much Bitcoin we want to send over, if that makes sense. And then we're going to come back to our Binance and go to exchange, basic exchange. And then let's say we wanted to buy some Bitcoin Cash. So I've already invested most of my stuff into coins here already, but I still have a little bit of Bitcoin left in here, so let's just put it towards some Bitcoin Cash. So right here we're going to buy in at that. Sounds good. That's the market price right now. Let's just do it, and there we go. And there it is. And it sold. 10 and 10 and then 6. So that worked. So yeah, it's as easy as that to buy some other coin. And then you'll see in your orders, you can look at your order history. And so I've bought some salt, Substratum, this one I can't remember, it's like blockchain something, ARK, and Cash. So some of these were canceled right here. So anyways, yeah, this is how you use Binance. If you have any questions, please let me know. And if you are going to start up your own Binance account, please go into the description down below and just click this link. I appreciate the support. And yeah, thank you so much. If you have any questions, let me know. Abundance to all. See you in the next video.